Hey folks, welcome to the Waldo World. This is Waldo. Today we're making a 3-peg single bead rubber band bracelet. This is just like the regular 3-peg rubber band bracelet, but with a bead. So we're using rubber bands, beads, an easy looper bracelet maker, a hook, and a jump ring. This easy looper bracelet maker is just like a regular one. It's just that I cut off 3 pegs. 3 pegs to make it easier to illustrate. So, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our Waldo wire, which is just a piece of wire bent in half, and this is to pull the beads, the rubber bands through the beads. And I just used this. This was 24 gauge. So I'm just going to do 3 of these. I've already done a whole bunch. So first thing you want to do is you want to stretch your rubber band a little bit, and you pull it right through. Then you take a bead, pull it through. You can adjust just a little. There you go. Gonna do 2 more. Pull it through. Get your Waldo wire off. And there you go. So let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to put these across on one side of the bead, right? With the bead facing front, and then you pull the bead back. Do another one. Bead in front, pull it back. See? Now we're just going to pull the rubber band below above. See? And it's starting there, right? You might adjust, but a lot of this will adjust by itself. In fact, you might want to pull this rubber band in front, but it's going to do it all by itself anyway. So just keep on going. So I'm just going to keep on. Okay folks, we're midway through this rubber band, and we're going to take a second and put in our jump ring. As always, twist it open to open it, and we're going to just pull it through these 2 rubber bands right here. And close it. There, we've got it shut. Now I want you to notice a few things. This bracelet, as it is right now, is not like this. You can wear it like this if you want. You can also wear it like that or that. But if you, what we're going to do at the end of this is we're going to actually just pop them up, do like a Dr. Pimple Popper, and just pull them out. But you can also, as you go, adjust them and pull this rubber band in front, and that'll do the same thing. But also take a moment to adjust these so they'll look a little better. So let's just keep on. Two across. I'm sorry, across the first two. And then back. Now make sure, I put a color here so I always know where I'm going, but and I thought I would be able to just follow the bead, but I did find myself just going ADD and going in another direction and realizing that my bead wasn't straight. So if you have this, you know that your bead will always be correct, because what I ended up doing was starting over here and my bead was in the wrong direction. So you might want to do something like that too. So let's get going. And we'll just keep on. Okay, folks, we're coming towards the end. So let's do the very last one. Feel free to pull this when you need to adjust this bottom tier down, so you can better manipulate your rubber bands or know where you're at. So cross the first two, bring that over, link. Okay, now I'm going to take my hook and unhook all three of these. Oops, don't want that to come out. Okay, so we got them like that. And we're going to open our jump ring and pull it all through these three. Close it shut. And there's one bracelet there, see? Or this bracelet, whichever way you want. But now we're going to do this other Dr. Pimple Popping magic. So you're going to adjust it like this and then push this through. Push that through. Isn't that cool? Be careful. Make sure that you're sideways, because otherwise you're just pulling the bead right exactly through where it is. See? And of course you will get lost, but that's fine. It's just adjusting rubber bands is all it is. Ta-da! There we go. Now you might want to add some more beads if you want, but remember it stretches. So there you go. As always, thank you for watching. If you like this video, why not subscribe? Ring the bell. Bye-bye. Till the next one.